Dear kids, welcome to this video. Today we are discuss in this video addition question and solve addition question very easy method. Let's start the video. 5 plus 2 is equal to, think about this. Now solve the question. 5 is the biggest number, so we write above, and 2 is the smallest number, so we write below 5. So above value is 5, so we write 5 lines of 5 times 1. On below value is 2, we write 2 times 1. After written, we add together these numbers. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Dear kids, we are again repeat this question for your better understanding. Now 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 is the correct answer.